मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथ मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरु मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Esteemed chairperson of the session, esteemed faculties, my dear student friends, we are very much grateful to the Department of Economics for giving us this magnificent opportunity to share our views before you all.
We, Mr.Girish Chandra Behera and Ms. Pranati Priyadarshini, are present here to discuss on a topic value-based economy, the strength of India.
Economics, a wonderful royal subject of national development, a subject of goods and services, supply and demand, entrepreneurs' contribution and consumers' satisfaction. But values are the base of life. Values are the base of nation. So values are the base of economics.
The term value is of paramount importance in our life. We can divide the values in three types, such as financial or economic values, democratic values, and humanitarian values. We should adopt these three values to make India a developed nation.
I could exactly recall a short story of 1 minute. It was Chandra Vidyasagar who faced a beggar once. The beggar begged him something. Chandra asked, "What would you do if I gave you 25 paise or charana? What would you give? What would you do? And how you would like to invest if I gave you athana, 50 paise? And what would be your aim? You got 75 paisa of barana." Then the beggar said, "Oh sir, don't criticize me. I am feeling humiliated. If you have nothing to give me, please don't criticize me." Then Ishwar Chandra patted on his head, patted on his back and said, No, my friend, I want to give you 1 rupee. What is your planning of investment?" And then the beggar said, "If I got this, I must satisfy first my own hunger, my own needs, then the needs of my mother, and the rest of amount will be invested to start a new business." It happened, and after 1 year, the beggar became a businessman supporting few others.
Economy cannot exist without financial values because goods and services are supplied with the hope that it will return as a profit. Without profit, no entrepreneur can grow and think for better of the nation.
You know, there is certain relationship between economy and economics. So, we learn this from the ground of base and values that vidya dadati vinayam vinayat jati patratam patrastad dhanabhatnati dhanat dharmah tatha sukha. So, we read or study economics not only to earn money, rather to earn virtues.
Without democratic values, it is difficult for a nation to establish equity and equality in the country. Okay.
If we want to establish equity and equality, we have to follow the needs of different areas and different regions. As in the institutional areas, we have to produce and supply the lodging and boarding facilities. In the hilly and water crisis areas, water packaging is needed, and the intensity of the cold and the length of winter depends or provides or it facilitates the production of the blankets and other winter dresses.
So, in all these cases, equitable distribution of goods and services is more important than equal distribution of goods and services. Next, the third and most important value of economics is its humanitarian values. Because goods and services are supplied for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of the people, the Consumer Protection Acts are framed and executed for protection of humanitarian values to check the unhealthy corrupt practices in the society.
So, let us conclude with this moral story. Either for some children loving Odia, से दिन अमेरिकार गोटे सितुआ संज ता भितर कार ये खराब हो जाए जड़े महिला से भीतग्रस्ता आती बेले जड़े व्यक्ति आसन जहाँ ना हूँ ब्रायन एंडरसन कार सजई दौरान आ पाउना पचारा बेलू कहते पाउना ग्यारेज में नि जाए अन्य को साहाय्य कला बेले नि जाए ना मन रखु आउ जार आवश्यक आसो ये पाउंडर ताकू देदेवे से होटेल को गला बेले देखुं जड़े गर्भवती महिला आसन्न प्रसवा पाखे पैसा ना से पैसा तक दे दौरान ब्रायन एंडरसन कहते जे लेट अस continues this helping to one and other, so there will be a chain of help and gratitude in this nation. With this, we conclude our paper, Value Based Economy. Thank you very much.